Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make this beautiful baby girl dress top. So I'll be using this pieces fabric I have left with me. So all you just need to do is to get the full length. That's from the shoulder to the full length of the dress. So this me trimming it out. So to get the shoulder measurement, you divide her shoulder by 2. And then to get her armhole, you divide her armhole measurement by 2 like that, and then you mark it out. So you connect the shoulder measurement to the armhole and then you give it a curve. So to get her shape, the shoulder measurement to the shape, you mark it out like that. Yes, mine, I'm working with 9. So you mark her the shape, and then you're going to connect from the armhole to the shape, and then from the shape you take it down to the full length of the dress. So to get the neck depth now for the front, I came down by 3, and then I'm connecting it to the shoulder. So I cut it out like that. So the neck width is 2.5. That's the opening of the neck is 2.5. So I place this one now on another fabric to cut out the back. So I came down for the back depth, neck depth by 1 inch. So I'll cut it out now using the front pattern to cut it out like that. Very easy. So if you have a full fabric, is better for you. Me, I'm working with these pieces available. So I'll just open the neck at the back just a little because I'll be using button at the back just like that. So I came down by 4. I opened it by 4 inches. So after that, I'll be taking it to the machine to join the shoulders together and the bodies. So I fold another pieces like this into 4 to cut out the sleeve. So I'm going to be measuring the sleeve length now from the top there down. So I'm working with 14 for my sleeve length. I'm making this dress for a 3-year-old. I'm working with 14 for my sleeve length. So I'm going to be dividing her round sleeve by 2. So whatever thing you get there, you put it the upper sleeve and the down sleeve. You connect it together. So you join the shoulders just like that. You take it down. So I will cut it out right now. So like this, your sleeve is ready. And besides, this material is a stretchy material, so I just came out by ½ inch allowance. So these are my sleeve. So the remaining pieces I just had to join it. So I'll be cutting the gathers down like that. To get the pleating down, my materials are not enough, so that's why you see I'm cutting it this way and joining it to the other pieces. So by the time I get them like that, I will not join everything together to get a very long fabric I will use in sewing the pleating. So that is it. So this is me sewing the shoulders together now like this. You join the shoulders together. You sew by ½ inch. So if you have your fabric, whatever fabric of your choice you want to use, you can work with it. If you choose to also make yours without putting sleeve, it's best. So I also join the sides by ½ inch. So that's it. Then this is me attaching the sleeve to it. So after that, you join your sleeves together by ½ inch, just like this. So after joining everything, I'm attaching the ones I cut out then to make the pleating. So there's no really measurements. I just made it very long, and then I will just be pleating it around the shirt dress. So any pleating of your choice can go for it. I did not actually really measure it. I just did what I wanted, like made it very full, and it came out very well. So you can just do your own pleating like this. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please do wait to subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.